Amid the heat of conflict in the Middle East, history was made from the cockpit of an A-18F Super Hornet. A female pilot from the U.S. Navy, whose name has not been released, became the first female fighter pilot in U.S. military history to successfully shoot down an enemy aircraft in aerial combat. The incident occurred while the USS Eisenhower Carrier Strike Group was conducting combat operations in the Red Sea region. In the tense airspace, the pilot, part of the elite strike fighter Squadron 32, or Flying Swordsman, locked onto her target, an armed drone launched by the Houthi group. Within seconds, the missile was launched, and the target was destroyed in midair. For many, this may be just one of many battles in U.S. military missions. However, for history, it is a significant milestone. For the first time, an American woman achieved an aerial victory, a term in military circles signifying the successful shooting down of an enemy aircraft during combat. During its 9-month deployment in the Middle East since October 2023, the Eisenhower Strike Group launched over 60 air-to-air missiles and 420 air-to-surface munitions in missions under Operations Inherent Resolve and Prosperity Guardian. During that period, the Flying Swordsman logged over 3,000 combat hours and 1,500 sorties. Squadron Commander Jason Hoke did not hide his pride. "I am extremely proud of the Swordsman's performance every day, under extremely challenging conditions," he said. "We have proven that the strength and flexibility of our combat aircraft carrier are unmatched." Although women have played a role in various military air operations, this achievement marks the first time an American female pilot has actually won an aerial battle, an honor previously reserved for the pages of military history books, alongside names like Lieutenant Lydia Litviak and Lieutenant Valeria Komyakova from the World War II era. Now, a new name is ready to fill those pages, though for now it remains shrouded in secrecy. However, for fellow pilots and the nation she represents, her victory has already become a symbol of courage and a new breakthrough in the modern military world. This historic moment is not just about a pilot and a downed drone. It is the result of decades of struggle, training, and determination to open up more space for women in the military, especially in an arena long dominated by men. Aerial combat. Although the pilot's identity has not been revealed to the public, analysts say this success is not merely a tactical victory, but an important symbol in the transformation of American military culture. It is a tangible manifestation of a paradigm shift, that courage and capability know no gender. "It's not about who's first, but about proving that we can," said a senior female Navy officer who declined to be named. For many young women aspiring to become fighter pilots, this is a light at the end of the runway. Women in the midst of global operations. This pilot's achievement occurred amid one of the largest and most complex military operations conducted by the U.S. Navy in recent years. The USS Eisenhower and its strike group played a vital role in maintaining regional stability, preventing attacks on international merchant ships, and countering the growing threat from the Houthi group. Every mission carried out carries high risks. Every takeoff from the aircraft carrier deck is a life-or-death gamble. Yet it is under such pressure that pilots like this female pilot demonstrate extraordinary resilience. They not only fulfill their duties, but also rewrite history. Steps toward the future. Looking ahead, Many hope that the pilot will receive official recognition, whether in the form of military honors or strategic placement in his career. Some even speculate that he could be a strong candidate for transition programs to fifth-generation fighter jets, such as the F-35 Lightning II. One thing is certain: his success paves the way for the next generation. Young people across America now have a new role model, someone who not only breaks through the clouds, but also shatters boundaries once deemed insurmountable. A symbol of change within the military. This success is not merely an individual achievement. It reflects the changes taking place within the U.S. military. Once, becoming a fighter pilot was a dream considered impossible for many women. Now, it is not only possible but also recognized and celebrated. Every generation has its own heroes, said an instructor at Naval Air Station Lemoore, where Navy pilots are trained, and today we are witnessing the birth of one of them. Young women who once only saw fighter jets on television screens or in aviation museums now have living proof that they too can sit in the cockpit, take the controls, and become guardians of America's skies. Inspiring beyond the military world. The inspiration from the pilot resonates beyond the military world. In engineering and aviation classrooms, her name and story are being used as case studies on courage, leadership, and perseverance. In high schools, teachers are beginning to highlight her as a role model. Even in the civilian world, aviation and STEM companies are leveraging her story to encourage women's participation in the technology and aerospace industries. She has become a symbol of hope, that hard work and dedication can break through the sky, even when the world tries to close the door. Looking toward higher skies. With her combat experience and historic achievements, the pilot's opportunities to secure strategic positions in the future are vast. She may become a combat instructor, squadron commander, or even a senior officer helping to design air strategies in the years to come. But more than anything else, he has written an important sentence in the history books: that courage is not the exclusive domain of any one gender, that the vast sky does not discriminate against who is piloting the aircraft, as long as they fly with unwavering confidence, skill, and determination.